What's your emergency?
And you should close your eyes for this part.
What is that?
Roundworm?
Where'd it come from?
Probably something that you ate.
It's impossible. I eat clean, all organic, from farm to table.
Clean and organic aren't always the same thing. Next time, wash your veggies thoroughly. Roundworm is transmitted through feces. Nancy, barf bag. Liza? Liza, are you okay? Nancy, grab me the C-Duck.
Copy.
Here we go.
We've got her back.
Oh my God.
It's all right, Liza. You're gonna be just fine. We're gonna take you to the hospital now, okay?